I will show you how to add local files to Spotify. First, open your Spotify. Go to your account section. Click Settings. There is a section Your Library. Turn on Show Local Files. Other options also like Download and Music Library. Then add source. Select your song collection file. Then click OK. You have successfully showed local files. You can check your songs on the left. You can also add your songs to your list.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.